SharePoint navigation is often different than what you might expect in terms of normal computer, or if you're using a normal file share or Windows Explorer navigation. And SharePoint navigation can sometimes be challenging for some clients. I think you have to it's a bit like learning to drive a new car. Sometimes you need to have a little bit of learning or training to help you get there. And it's interesting because we've often found that quite a few clients say to us, well, how do I navigate? Or my users aren't clear of how to get from one site, their personal site, back to the home site, or then to another departmental site. And there's two key areas we help them. The first way is to actually use search to help them to navigate, so just make sure the search works really well, so they can use search as one of the primary navigation areas, just like they might use with Bing or Google on the internet. And the other way we help clients navigate as well is Content and Code have developed a mega menu or a super menu that sits above the top of SharePoint and allows them to actually navigate to all the various SharePoint sites or other SharePoint areas that they might have. And we find this really helps users with user adoption. But it is slightly challenging sometimes with SharePoint, but there's always answers to those challenges.